Hi, my name is Laura Pahl, and I'm the Assistant Principal for Curriculum and Technology at Joliet Catholic Academy. I'm proud today to talk to you about the technology that we use at Joliet Catholic Academy. We are currently using the Microsoft platform for all that we do here at JCA. We are a one-to-one environment, which means all of our students and teachers are equipped with their own personal laptop for daily use. Being a Microsoft school, we use applications that most people are familiar with, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. But on a daily basis, our students are using much more than that. Our students are using the Microsoft Teams and OneNote applications for their daily instruction. We use these applications to increase student-centered engagement, creativity, foster higher level thinking skills, and promote organization amongst our students. We want to make sure that when a student graduates from Joliet Catholic Academy that they are well prepared for college and beyond. When you enroll your son or daughter at Joliet Catholic Academy, you will receive information from us regarding purchasing a laptop computer that meets our minimum specifications. We walk you through the process from start to finish to make sure your son or daughter has the device that they need to be successful while here with us. We make sure that the option that is given is a cost-efficient option for you and your family, but we do have a BYOD element as well. Joliet Catholic Academy has a help desk that is open before, during, and after school to assist students at any time throughout the day with any technology difficulties that they may be experiencing. We are happy to troubleshoot any problems so that we can get our students back to class and learning without any interruptions. If you have any questions about technology at Joliet Catholic Academy, please feel free to contact me at any time, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.
For more information, please visit our website.